4 easy ways to earn money instantly. Here are some quick ways for the people who want to make some money. 1. Find Fiverr Pakistani people and make relationship. For example, people want to make their website faster. You can say you will make their website faster or secure, and charge $5. You will give the Fiverr person Rs. 400 via Payza, and you will keep Rs. 200 profit. 2. No skills? No problem. Offer other services. If one person is providing Ahref at $7, you can provide others $10. You will give $7 to him, and you will keep $3 yourself. The same goes for other tools and services like PBNs. 3. Have skills, but can't start? Do partnership. For example, you have a blog, but don't have a writer. You can hire any writer, and divide your earning 50-50. You will write. You will promote. 4. Make 5,000 friends niche relevant and charge Rs. 50 to R'100 per post. All members and bloggers fund belong to blogging. If you have active 5,000 friends, you can charge Rs. 50 per post because people trust you. So, what do you think? Now I want to hear from you. Maybe I missed. Either way, leave a comment below right now to let me know. Smile.